It's streaming.
Awesome.
I guess I'll sit my laptop in and do whatever you
Okay.
So it goes this way. I could try and fix that one part because, yeah. Because we are not playing a video game. As much as it says we're playing a video game, we're not playing a video game. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Well, I know you're the hot one all the time, so.
Yeah, but no, I'm actually really cozy. So 1 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon. Excellent.
Yeah. Well, I started doing it with the 1/4 of a teaspoon that you had, or 1/8,
Yeah.
and it was just taking way too long. So I was just like 1 teaspoon for everything.
Yeah, I mean, that's, you could do it like that, honestly, and you'll end up with some pretty decent results. A lot of these items are bulky, so I think it's okay to do that. Trying to do it with the mushrooms, though, that's going to be the interesting part. When you did this the first time, did you put everything just in the herb grinder? Or?
Yeah, I put everything in there and then I ground it up.
Okay.
There, I finally got that game off of here.
Put that there.
There, so now it's not saying we're playing a video game, it's just like, I'm just doing cooking.
Yeah. You ain't playing no games, yo.
No, I'm not. It keeps giving me cooking stuff. And I'm just like, okay.
Start from back all the way to the front. I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter what order you put these ingredients in.
For you?
Yeah, I'm a stickler though, like when it comes to cooking.
Well, the thing is though, it's just like, which one are you making? I need to move stuff out of your way because I have my stuff everywhere. Because I'm making rice cakes and I don't know. This is
Yeah. I'm making the vegan beef broth. So.
do you just
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm trying to like do 3 things at once, and your hand is in my way with my my fucking screen. Because like I have your phone right here so you can see, but you know it likes to turn off because it's a butthole.
Correct. The bunch of stuff holes.
Very much so. Nope, that's not the button I pushed. I don't like your phone.
I don't like my phone either.
You're the one that picked this.
Yeah, I know. I picked it because of its protective case.
Yeah, your protective case was a piece of poop.
See the sweetest things.
Well, here you go. I'll just throw it.
Of course.
Well, take your pick.
Of course.
Take your pick.
So.
No.
Alright, we'll just do 1 teaspoon of everything. So, start off with some freshly dried, fresh dried rosemary.
It's not freshly dried. I mean, like, I've been picking it through the season. And just drying it, putting it in there.
Yeah.
I spelled bouillon with 2 O's. It's bouillon.
Goodness. Okay. So, 1 teaspoon of that.
Oh, we're doing accents
I
now.
always do accents.
I know, but still, sometimes you don't.
Alright, and then just drop that. Some dried tomato flakes.
I'm so sorry. I'm trying to hurry to get out of your way.
Your home.
If you could wait me 30 seconds, I would fucking know it would be fucking great for me.
Okay.
Like, you could just explain what you're fucking doing. Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Alright, so, yep, 1 teaspoon of dried tomato flakes.
Well, yesterday I made the chicken one because you had to go to work. So today you're making the beef one today.
Correct. And I came up with this list of ingredients based on like the taste of what beef is to me, as well as it was inspired by
Well, that, and we need the bouillon, and it's not there anymore. We looked online to try to find it.
Yeah.
That
And key chapter in Dungeons and Dragons cookbook about how to cook steak.
hey, that's delicious.
And the fact that a couple of ingredients you can taste like beef. And oregano leaves. You use oregano leaves as long as it's oregano.
Got on your phone, it said the thing was paused. The strip.
Oh, what the heck?
Phone's a piece of poopy. It's not the phone.
You lick.
Lick. Oh, we're being pod.
We're gonna do some of that shiitake mushroom.
Yeah, your phone's a piece of paper.
Mm-hmm. And try and grab as much freeze-dried granules as possible.
Didn't we have some mushrooms already? Like, I had that instead.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trapped! I'm trapped.
Stop that. That does-
Here, I'll take it. Well, that hurting today. So it's okay. Bye. Oh, there's my looking for Dad. I'll be back.